Hello, my beautiful angel seekers in Christ. I love you with all of my heart because you are on your way to heaven, like myself. We got to help each other get there, y'all. So make sure to pass along the word that our main focus is to get to the kingdom of heaven. How do you do that? Love one another. How do you do that? Help one another. How do you do that? Don't be evil. Don't be lying. Don't be cheating. Don't be stealing. Don't be doing all that stuff. That's not good for you. That's not good for your soul, okay? That's how you get to the kingdom of heaven. That's just some of the things it takes. All right. So today we're going to be talking about makeup. This is my first time ever trying to accomplish this whole makeup face. Whenever I did my makeup for the reunion, I don't know if you've seen that video. If not, you should definitely check that out. But anyway, once I had done my makeup, had my makeup done for the reunion, I really, really liked it. I loved it. I fell in love. I was just like, oh. So I said, well, you know what? I've never really been a makeup person, but I'm gonna have to start. That's my children. That's not me dropping anything this time. That's my babies. They in there playing my Yoshi game that I got for my birthday. But anyway, this is my first time trying to attempt this. So with that, I have this makeup primer. Now I see why people used to do that with the whole light. You know, I was saying that before. I have a makeup primer, which this one is Jasmine. Don't get it in your eye. It smells like jasmine. I really like the smell. The smell is really wonderful. And then for my eyebrows, I have eyebrow gel with the little brush. And this is like a little, you know, you dip it in there to kind of fill in your eyebrows, which I doubt if I need a lot because I got some thick eyebrows, y'all. I got some thick eyebrows. And if I need a little extra, I'm going to go in with my Go Brow. Now, I've used this before. I use this. This is on a daily basis. This is old. As you can see, this is still in the package. So, I've never used this. Never used this one. But I've used this one on a daily basis. So, if this don't work out or I don't know how to use this too good, then I'm going to go in behind with this and then I'm going to work it out, y'all. You know how we do's it, okay? You know how we do's it. So, for my base, I have, why y'all didn't tell me I was, well, y'all can't really communicate with me. So, for my foundation, I have Kiss Professional Kiss New York Pro Touch Liquid Foundation. And the color that I'm using is Toffee / Caramel Foncé. That's right, Foncé. It also has KPLF325 if y'all into the whole numbers and categories and stuff, but I'm not. So I just say, look, I'm a Toffee Caramel Cafe. No, that's not right. Foncé. Toffee Caramel Foncé. That's right. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And then the back is where they show the color. And if you in all them numbers and letters right there. But I just read it out to you. So therefore, since it's backwards on the camera, it should help you to find it if you need to. And then for my concealer, I have LA Girl. No, I don't know why. Did I say LA? Is it LA Girl? I don't know because they got the doggone thing over the sticker. But it's, I think it's, I can't really remember if it's LA Girl or LA, oh, yep, it's LA Girl. You know, they have LA Girl and then they have LA Color, you know, and some fingernail polishes and stuff. So I get them too confused because I told you I'm not a big makeup person. I don't know. I'm not a pro, okay? I'm a beginner at this. But anyway, I've been had this for whenever I used to try to make my eyebrows look like they were freshly waxed or whatever. Because I've never, ever gotten my eyebrows, legs, or anything else waxed. Never done that. I just, me personally, I can't do the whole bumps all over my face and on my skin and stuff like that whenever they through with me, and I look like I done been attacked by a cat or something. I can't do that. Okay, so this is my way around that. Okay, that's my Pro Concealer. Okay, and the color is Warm Honey. And for the people who enter them numbers and letters and things, this says GC982. Okay, yeah, so that's that. Okay, and then of course I'm gonna be using, I don't think I'm gonna do the eyeliner just because I don't have a lot of time, but I have some Matte setting spray enhanced with aloe vera and silica, long lasting, and it's paraben free by She. By who? By She. Just say She. But I don't think this one, let me see. I mean, it might smell like a little something. In my opinion, it smells good. It's fair. It kind of reminds me of like a flower set that you might receive from somebody, a bouquet of flowers. It kind of smells that fresh fragrance of like females, how we usually be smelling, you know. So to apply these things, oh, one more thing, I knew I was missing something. I have some Dare blush, which is RK by Kiss. There we go. Yep. And y'all, like I said, I'm new at this, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to, you know, get an idea of how I'm going to do this stuff here. Like I said, I got some eyeliner that I've never used before. This is She Makeup Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Okay, and this is just regular black, I'm assuming. I think it was black when I was looking for it. Yeah. It don't say it, but doggone it, the pencil thing look black, so that's what we're gonna go with, okay? I also have some NK Makeup Perfection highlighter. Okay. Yeah, that's the best I can do, people. Okay, and it is in the copper color. And if you're into the numbers and letters, it's NKMO6. Okay, it's a highlighter. Okay, so to apply these things, I'm going to be using this airbrush blending sponge. Okay, and it's Nick AK New York, I guess. Yep, that's what it is. And I guess they actually care about the color, but it's olive. That's what it say. You probably can't really tell, but it says olive right there, okay? Because I'm looking at it, so I see it. Let me see something. Look at that. It showed up backwards, so it should be reading forward for y'all. Look at that. Look at that. For that, and then I got a brush for like the highlighter, you know, or the contour, which I'm new at this, so I can't tell you if I'm contouring, highlighting, or just painting my face like a clown, but we will see. But this is Lux Basics 201 Round Buffer by Amore Us USA, because we do love us. We do, okay? Yep. My babies are calling me. It says ultra soft bristles, synthetic bristles, long lasting, hand cut, brush head, and vegan and cruelty free, meaning they don't be torturing animals just for our simple amazement. And that is wonderful, because I don't believe in that. God didn't put animals on this earth for us to be torturing them for our own entertainment or scientific beliefs. And then I also have some they say this is a lip pencil. Okay, I have dark purple, and then I have black just in case all else fails, but it's by NK Makeup. So yes, I just got a little mixture of everything. NK, She, RK by Kiss. And, you know, I just got like a little bit of everything, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see little bit by little bit, where we go from here.
Okay, Daddy, what are we going to say?
Well, you know today is Mama's birthday, right?
Yeah, I know. Do I have to write a song, Daddy?
You don't have to. You could just say what's on your heart.
That would be a long song.
Well, what if I started off and then you can just talk?
That would be good. Because I just woke up. I need a glass of water.
Well, go get some water, and I'm about to say this. You know what time it is, baby. It's time to celebrate. It's time for you to blow out them candles up on that cake. Yeah. Look how far Jesus brought you. It was nothing but faith. For us to see you wake up and see another day. Ain't God good?
Yes, He's good.
Yeah, He good. You bring joy to our life every day. He know you will. I love you with all my heart, baby. Hope you have so much joy. I'm just saying, our kids, they think your presence is their toys.
They're all my toys, Daddy. I got something to say. Mama, how old are you? You can tell me later. But I really love you. I'm so happy because you're the best mama. I must say happy birthday. Okay, don't laugh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. I Batman. I thought you knew. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Okay. Mama.
If I kiss you right there, will you kiss me? If you touch me right there, can I touch you back? If I hug you right here, will you hug me back? XO, 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 XO. If I kiss you right there, will you kiss me? If I touch you right there, will you touch me? If I hug you right here, will you hug me? XO, 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 hey. Bring them hugs and kisses over here. I'm ready to slap them up just like spaghetti. I've been waiting on you all day and all night. I'm waiting on you to go on and get that first fly out here to the West Coast, so I can show you I love you the most. Yeah, I like the way we play around. I like the way you lay it down. If I kiss you right there, will you kiss me? If you touch me right there, can I touch you back? If I hug you right here, can you hug me back? XO, 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 XO. If I kiss you right there, will you kiss me? If I touch you right there, will you touch me? If I hug you right here, will you hug me back? XO, 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 yeah.
You mean to tell me you been waiting on little old me?
sure.
Well, my plane will touch down by the 3:15. Been a long day, so have my ride ready. Been ready to hug and kiss you like we going steady. It's gonna feel good to be back in your arms. You're so sweet like a fresh poured bowl of Lucky Charms. And of course, I can't wait to put this loving on you because you make it all worth it to get back to you. Hey.
If I kiss you right there, will you kiss me? If you touch me right there, will you touch me? If I hug you right here, will you hug me? XO, 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 XO. If I kiss you right there, will you kiss me? If I touch you right there, will you touch me? If I hug you right here, will you hug me? XO, 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 XO. If I kiss you right there, hey, will you kiss back? Baby, will you kiss back?
You know I will.
Will you kiss back? Baby, will you touch back? Now step with me, step with me, step with me. Now move with me, move with me, move with me. Now step with me, step with me, step with me. Now move with me, move with me, move with me. Now step with me, step with me, step with me. Now move with me, move with me, move with me. Now step with me, step with me, step with me. Now move with me, move with me, move with me. Yeah, yeah, like this. Got this. Yeah, it ain't no way. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
If I kiss you, will you kiss me back? Will you kiss back? Back, kiss you back. Kiss you back. Yeah, you ain't got to
we
worry
gonna
about
do this.
that, girl. Let's do it. Hey. It ain't no one grace, man. We got this.
Wow. There's something about you, but I don't know how to explain it. But I love the way you move.
With your hands locked in mine and we groove side to side, I can dance with you all night. When you spin me around and you pull me back in, I can dance with you all night. When you dip me on your side and you're gazing in my eyes, I can dance with you all night. When you raise me gently and you push up on me, I can dance with you all night. The rhythm that you're kicking when you step has me inside my mind wanting to melt. You're just so smooth with everything you do, and it has me falling for you. Baby, don't be afraid to move me any way you want. 'Cause tonight I am all yours.
I gotta talk to him, cause I got a million questions, and I know he can answer it all with one answer. That's the first thing I do when I walk in heaven. Next to you.
When you make it to heaven, yeah, I wanna know what's the first thing you do, yeah. I wanna know what's the first